Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountants Minute. Advisory services and business funding are very important services for accountants to be providing, especially in this period as we are continuing with COVID-19 coronavirus and starting to think about the real challenges that are going to confront businesses over the next 12 months. The Australian government has announced the extension of JobKeeper for probably another 6 months, with some changes, of course. And they have also announced the extension of the coronavirus SME guarantee loan, which is going to change from a maximum loan of $250,000 to $1 million, and the loan period will extend from 3 years to 5 years, with loan applications being able to be made up to 30 June 2021. But what are you going to be doing as an accountant or a business advisor to help your clients navigate these difficult conditions? In our webinar series that continues on Friday, 31 July at 12 noon AEST, Mark Holton, a director of Smith Inc., will continue the theme that he started on the 3rd of July, Business Advisory Services in a COVID-19 World. And Mark will be looking at extending his story as he traces the journey relative to the emergence of business advisory services as an area that accountants should be continuing post-COVID-19. It's been great to see accountants take up the challenge of helping clients through these difficult times, so why won't you continue it? And Mark will refer to the Commonwealth Bank Market Pulse report, which was released only a few weeks ago, which indicated that a survey of accountants had indicated that business advisory services was their expected product or service that would be in the most demand over the next 6 to 12 months. What is your firm going to be doing in this time period? And Mark will discuss those issues, as well as looking at the range of services that you could provide to your SME clients to help them, first of all, survive during this difficult time, but also add value to their businesses. I will be the other speaker on Friday, and I will comment about the funding challenges that are confronting businesses. Sure, we got the coronavirus SME guarantee loan that has been extended, as I indicated earlier, for up to $1 million. But that will not suit every business, so loans have to be repaid, even if the period is now 5 years. So some of your clients might be looking to avail themselves of the opportunity to raise capital. And they could be using crowdsourced funding, equity raising, early stage innovation company status, which enables them to raise virtually any amount of money that investors are prepared to invest in. And the Section 708, of course, Section 708 has been our favourite for 35 years. It was very difficult to raise capital legally from arm's length people prior to that date, unless you were a public company registered on a stock exchange. But 708 is still there. You can raise up to $2 million from 20 investors in a 12-month period. So I'll be talking about these fundraising activities, as well as giving you a brief overview of the Australian Business Growth Fund that has been formed. A chairman has been appointed, the Premier of Tasmania is the chair of that organisation. And a board is currently being appointed, and they're looking to employ a chief executive officer who then undoubtedly will have the responsibility of employing a team. So that that fund, which has got about $540 million contributed to it from the federal government, 100 million, and the major banks have all contributed to that Australian Business Growth Fund, which is a new equity investment organisation that's going to operate in Australia. And you need to know about these activities so that you can be advising your clients on their fundraising opportunities. So please join us for this complimentary webinar on Friday this week, 31 July at 12 noon AEST. To register, please go to our website, www.essbiztools.com.au/webinars. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.